Hello, I'm Brett Frazier, the COO at JOLT Advantage Group. Today I'll be walking you through how RPA can help you automate the processes for data migration to cloud. Whether on-prem to cloud or one cloud application to another, performing data migrations is tedious, time-consuming work. This involves normalizing the data based on differences within the source systems. This process often requires data extraction, data review, missing data entry, data validation, and reformatting of tens of thousands of data rows prior to conversion, all done manually. And complexity layers within data conversions such as data fit, source systems data structure, and logic can often be problematic to manual reviews or even make the migration attempt unviable. On this demo, we'll be focusing on the data validation process using robots to review and validate the data extracted prior to conversion. We will use a sample data set representing a scenario where we have insufficient data for the migration of on-premise PeopleSoft to Oracle HCM Cloud for today's demo. As you can see in our source app, the county data parameter is not required, while in Oracle Cloud it is. Missing data is a common challenge encountered while performing data migrations to Oracle Cloud, and it becomes a more significant challenge when you have files with thousands of data entries. Before showing you how the robots would automate this tedious process, let's take a look at how the humans do it first. Usually, an employee would extract the data from the source system and transfer it to Excel, then perform data validation checks, filter information, go line by line, and Google the county if the zip code is available inside the file. Our bot will log into the source app, navigate to the reporting section, download the right report, filter the missing and incorrect data, search for the missing county information from the web, and go back to the Excel file to fill out the blanks or replace the incorrect values in the county column, all while leaving a perfect audit and reporting trail of the work it's doing. Time to see the robot in action. For this demonstration, we've run this bot in debug mode and chose a smaller subset of data to pull up on the front end for visualization purposes. If this process is run for an actual large data validation project, the bot could be configured to run unattended on the back end and send the validated file to the human after completing the process. As you can see, the bot logs into PeopleSoft, the source system, navigates to the reporting section, filters the report needed, downloads the file in Excel, and then filters the county column to identify the blanks, and then moves to the zip code column to copy the value, navigate to the County Finder website, and extracts the county name to return to the Excel sheet and fill out the county value in the appropriate column and row. After it's done filling out all the blanks, it will filter the county column for incorrect values such as addresses that mapped the country as the county, and then carry out the same process of searching for the zip code and replacing the incorrect values with the accurate county name. After completing this data validation process, the robot will then send out an email to the human worker with the updated Excel file. The next step would be to upload this data set to the target system, in this case to Oracle HCM Cloud. On a rough calculation, our team determined that the robot was able to process each row in under 4 seconds. If we're automating the process for a data set containing 5,000 rows, we can process the entire file in under 5 hours with unattended automation, which compared to verifying and filling out 5,000 rows manually becomes a significant time saver with the added benefit of having an error-free data set. And that concludes our demo. It's impressive to see the power of automation, its speed, and the robust end-to-end capabilities robots have. If you're interested in leveraging the power of RPA to support your next Oracle Cloud migration project, get in touch with JOLT Advantage Group.